Hello beautiful people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika from Mom's Niche Diary. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and today I'm going to be taking you to one of the biggest mall in Abuja. It's called Jabi Lake Mall. This mall houses so many other departmental stores in it. So I believe it's one of the biggest mall in Abuja. If this is the kind of video you like watching, then please give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, it goes a long way to help my channel. And if this is your first time of stopping by my channel, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. So let's get shopping. This bread right here is one of my favorite bread, but I don't know the name. Please, if you know the name, let me know in the comment section. I think it's called French bread, but I'm not so sure. And I also love getting food and snacks whenever I'm here, so that once we get into the car, we can just relax and enjoy. Have you given this video a thumbs up? Please do. And if you haven't subscribed, now will be a good time to hit the subscribe button and join the family. I know you're going to love it here. Good morning, my beautiful people. How are you doing? It's a beautiful day in Abuja, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make this very easy breakfast. The first time I saw this was on Vivian's channel. I'm going to leave her name on the screen, Vivian Oko's channel. She actually lost that channel and has started afresh, so please check her out and subscribe to her channel. So I'm going to show you how I make this very easy breakfast. I love it and my kids love it. For this recipe, we're going to be making use of diced onions, green pepper, 2 eggs, salt, and some bread. And of course, mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese, but this is what I have presently. I got this cheese from the mall yesterday, and let me give you some small gist. I said I was going to do a very long um vlog yesterday, but going to the supermarket, going to the mall with kids, it's not always easy. Like, if you know, you know. Okay, so and I said when I come back, I'm going to do a haul, but body no be firewood though. But anyway, today is another day, and I'm going to be showing you how I make this easy breakfast recipe. Normally, I would use tomatoes, but I'm out of fresh tomatoes for now, and I'm just making do with what I have. Sometimes I add carrots, so you can use whatever vegetable you have. Red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, anything you have is perfect for this recipe. So let's get into it. Breakfast is ready. Can you see how good this looks? I'm going to be having this with some tea. You can have this with hot chocolate. You can have this with juice for your kids. It's a very simple and delicious meal. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this out. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe, join the family. So thank you so much for watching today's video. And I'll see you again in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous. Love you and God bless you.